Hello everyone, I'm Jay and this is the Camden Stitch. The other thing we're going to be doing today is launching the hashtag SewFrugal19 challenge. I thought it would be really fun to have a competition that runs alongside the Sewing on a Budget series. The aim of the game is to make a garment as frugally as possible and to submit it on Instagram. It's all got to be on Instagram, I'm afraid, because there's no way of doing it via YouTube to submit pictures or anything. Put your garment on Instagram with a little breakdown of how much you spent on the pattern, the fabric and the haberdashery to go with it. And there's going to be a panel of judges. The people judging are Rach from Rach Stitched Up and Mel from Handmade by Ditsy Tulip. Thank you very much, ladies, for agreeing to help me with the judging. They're both ladies who really have got great ideas about shopping around and about getting the best value for money possible, and spending your sewing pennies wisely. So we are going to be judging based not just on who spent the least, but who sourced things in the most creative way, who has made the most interesting creative garment. So we're going to be looking at your sewing and your design and your outcome, as well as how you've sourced everything and how much you paid for it, where you've got it all from, whether you've managed to reuse or recycle fabrics. For all the details, start, end date, etc., then have a look, just pay a visit to my downstairs. All the details are in the description box, and I'm really looking forward to running this challenge. In terms of prizes, we decided that in the spirit of being frugal and using what you have and not buying things that you don't need, quite a few sewing vloggers have agreed to be ambassadors for the challenge, and as part of that they have all agreed to donate some fabric from their stash. So the winner will win a little prize bundle of fabric from several sewing vloggers. Thank you so much to you ladies for contributing, and I'm going to pop links to all these ladies in the description box below. The competition's going to run until the end of September, and if it works then I will try and run it every year. I think it'll be real fun. I can't wait to make my own outfit. Most of my dresses come in at maybe less than about £4. Maybe a £5 including the pattern. So I'm really looking forward to scrimping and saving those pennies and seeing how little I can make a garment for. So I really hope you'll join in. That's all from me today. I hope you've got a fabulous sewing weekend planned. Bye!